Markina Brown with a look at the winds that will make things even more difficult for firefighters. Markina.
Yeah, of course, that is very unfortunate, Serene, especially when you see pictures like those. Here's the latest. We've got red flag warnings that will go through, at least for now, Tuesday evening. So with that, we are talking about continued very dry conditions and gusty winds that will pick up in really just an hour or so from now. We are looking at high wind warnings. With these high wind warnings, there is the potential that some of these winds could gust up in over 60 miles an hour. And then we have wind advisories that are going to be in effect through Tuesday evening as well. So this is the story. It is all about the wind, all about the very low humidity again. So this is our second Santa Ana wind event in just a matter of days. It's almost like we got a little bit of a break yesterday, and now here we are again monitoring the wind. So here's what you need to know. Strong Santa Ana winds coming today, actually through Tuesday. We are talking about single-digit humidity levels, and also as we head toward the middle of the week, those winds will start to lighten and the humidity will slowly improve. But before all of that happens, we've got today and tomorrow, and it looks like the majority of Tuesday to get through before things start to improve. We'll send it back to you.